Hello, my name is Chase DeHan and welcome to my course, Manipulating Data Frames in R. I'm currently the lead data scientist at Tesorial and hold a PhD in economics from the University of Utah. One of the most time-consuming parts of my job as a data scientist is taking raw data and converting it into a form that will work for modeling and analysis. This time-consuming step can be a lot of work, but if you're proficient, it can unleash a lot of productivity. First, we're going to talk about how to create data frames from scratch, and then we're going to go into how to slice a data frame to obtain the desired values. This will be followed by a detailed discussion about how to filter a data frame to keep certain values based on conditional logic. And then we're going to wrap it up by introducing the dplyr package, which provides for a really easy work of wrangling data after we have built some of these fundamentals. By the end of this course, you'll have the foundational knowledge to get your data into an appropriate form for whatever task you're working on. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with the basics of the R programming language. I hope you'll join me on this journey with the Manipulating Data Frames in R course at Pluralsight.